Understanding Auto Mode, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on English phrases. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, auto mode. This is a commonly used term in both everyday and technical English, and understanding it can really help in various contexts. So, let's dive in and decode auto mode together. The term auto mode is a short form of automatic mode. It is used to describe a situation where a machine, system, or process operates automatically, without the need for manual intervention. This concept is often found in technology, gadgets, and even in describing human behavior. For example, when your smartphone camera adjusts settings like focus and exposure by itself, it's in auto mode. In this section, we'll look at various examples where auto mode is commonly used. Cameras. In photography, auto mode allows the camera to automatically adjust settings. Vehicles. Many cars have an auto mode for transmission, where the car decides when to change gears. Home appliances. Things like air conditioners or washing machines often have an auto mode for ease of use. Understanding these examples can help you grasp how widely the term is used and what it implies in different contexts. Interestingly, auto mode has also crept into everyday language. We sometimes use it to describe doing something habitually or without much thought. For instance, I was on auto mode this morning, making coffee and breakfast without even thinking about it. This usage is more metaphorical, relating to human behavior rather than technology. Context is key when interpreting auto mode. Depending on the situation, it can have slightly different nuances. For example, in technology, it emphasizes efficiency and ease, whereas in human behavior, it might suggest a lack of attention or engagement. Always consider the context to fully understand the use of this phrase. That's all for our lesson on auto mode. I hope this video has shed light on this interesting and useful English phrase. Whether you encounter it in tech speak or everyday conversation, you're now equipped to understand and use it correctly. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to our next English learning adventure together.